We are pleased to show you the 2020 Soul. The Soul is quick and ready with its innovative, catchy style, a sharp, roomy, and well-fitted cabin, and a comprehensive list of safety and fun features, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, stability control, traction control, steering wheel audio controls, backup camera, Bluetooth, power steering, driver airbag, adjustable steering wheel, four-wheel disc brakes. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.